Zed Wild here. Press subscribe for more videos round and about Great Britain. And for more than a decade I've been wanting to go to this very spot, or near this very spot. I've been wanting to go to near the source of the River Severn, and I'm currently in the Hafren forest, which is a big forestry plantation in mid Wales, named after the River Severn, which is Hafren in Welsh. And we are right about now to look at the young River Severn. We're not actually at its source, but we're near the source. It's high up on that mountain over there, behind all those trees. You can't see it actually. There's a mountain behind there called Plynlimmon. That's where the River Severn starts. One day I might actually hike up there, but I need a bit more time to do it and to be better prepared, because it's quite high up on a mountainside. And here we are, the young River Severn. This is the Severn Way, and this one is called Severn Break Its Neck Falls. And this is where I've been wanting to go for years, probably more than a decade. It's quite loud, this waterfall. Whew, very nice. Quite a big waterfall actually for British standards. I'm impressed. And that is the River Severn, looking very small there, with all the forest behind. Gorgeous. Press subscribe for more videos round and about Great Britain.